Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here again with Lisa Moonlit Floor official performance video. I've been waiting for the video. I reacted to the audio track, which I will put at the end of the screen, floating over my head somewhere. So this is the video performance, the official performance video. Let's jump in this one and hear what Miss Queen Lisa has to say. Let's go. Let's go. That vocals, man. She's so seductive, bro. She's so cute. Lisa is just in a class by herself, bro. Shit.
I'ma need to hear you say it out loud. 'Cause I love it when my name slips out your mouth. Love it when you ask to rest my body. Right before you lace your kisses on me. Boy, got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. How you kiss is always hit. How you know to sweat. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now that accent of your lips. How you tongue do all the tricks. How you know to sweat. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight.
That smile, yo.
Kiss me, kiss fit in the whip to the flight to the sky, never down, baby, check my stats. Kiss me under the Paris twilight.
Let's go.
Kiss fit in the whip to the flight to the
Transition.
sky, never down, baby, check my stats. Truth is, I wasn't trying to meet nobody, baby, I was there to get my bag. But when I saw you, I was like, I like that. Wasn't trying to break, baby, I fought back. But when I heard you say bonjour, baby, I was like, damn. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now your skin is always soft. How you kiss is always hit. How you know to sweat. Green eye French boy got me tripping. Now that accent of your lips.
The confidence. Wow.
Kiss me under the Paris twilight. Kiss me out on the moonlit floor. Kiss me under the Paris twilight. So kiss me.
Wow. What do you guys expect? This is Lisa, man. What do you guys expect? Come on, man. This is Lisa. Lisa is in a class by herself. Lisa is seductive. Lisa is sexy. Lisa is likable. Lisa is lovable. What can I say that I haven't said before about Lisa, man? Like, Lisa is Lisa, bro. Her smile is so, oh my gosh. Lisa! What are you doing to us out here? I didn't stop and break down the lyrics because I did that in the video already, in the audio already, which I said I'm gonna leave at the end. I just wanted to see what the video was like and what the video was about. And trust me, whoa, the video is sick. Clean. The video is clean. The transition in the video is clean. Big up the video videographer who shoot this, the production team behind this one. Big up the band that's playing the music for her, well, live music. Lisa is a national treasure, man. Lisa is a mega superstar across the world. So, what do you guys expect? Like, the numbers speak for itself. This is Lisa we're talking about. So, yeah. Are we gonna get a dance video? Cause I've never seen Lisa like this before. Like, she's in her element right here. So, are we gonna get a dance video to this? Cause we know Lisa for her crazy talented dance routine. So, are we gonna get a dance video also? Am I just being too greedy? I don't think I'm being too greedy. I just think I'm being loving Lisa. That's what's happening right here. So, let me know what you guys in the comment section think about this one. Like you guys already know, I'm officially a Blink. So yes, let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one, and I'll be there to reply to the comments. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.